Welcome to Virtual Tours and Extreme Outdoors. My name is Paige and today I'm going to unbox the Garret AT Max. Before we get right into the video, this isn't sponsored by Garret or there's no sponsors. I'm just doing this out of love. Some of its key features, it's on the box. Built-in Z-Link wireless technology, integrated wireless circuitry transmits signals to your MS3 wireless headphones, which are included in this box. Maximum detection depth, increased transmit power, enhanced electronics, and a 13.6 kHz frequency allow the user to detect a wide range of targets, tiny gold nuggets, jewelry, just a wide range of things. True all metal mode, high resolution ground balance, all terrain versatility, it's weatherproof, dustproof, great against humidity, the wet, fully submersible to 10-foot depth for underwater use, optional. Waterproof wired headphones must be used. All metal iron audio. It's a Garret exclusive feature that audibly identifies iron while operating in a true all metal mode. It's got a fast recovery speed, coin depth indicator, and search modes, discrimination patterns, 4+ pinpoint. Select from all metal, custom, coins, or 0 modes. So it's pretty cool. Comes in this sick ass box. Okay. Cam locks for added shaft stability. Powerful 8.5 inch by 11 inch Pro Performance DD search coil. Large target ID numbers, robust non-absorbent texture grip. And this is the back of the box. That's the side. When you open it, you have your whole setup in here. It even comes with a hat. Okay, so along with the hat comes with the earphones, comes with coil cover, warranty card, a full owner's manual. We'll put this bad boy together. Pay to read the manual. So I've got it. Okay, step 1, have strong fingers. Then you're just going to press these buttons down so you've got a spare hole at the top. Click this bad boy in, like so. There's one piece done. Hopefully I put it together properly. It will be rooted. And this little baddie. The little washers have little holes here, which fit into there. There we go. Makes sense. Just gonna wrap this little one around. Coil cord's got this little black cover, brand new, so that's that. She goes in under here. Okay, so I'm just going to tighten this to where I think that'll do. Move the table. Okay, and we'll probably do this a little bit, one more. It's over like this, if I'm doing it right. Oh god. So she sits over her like this. I need to go to sleep. Press her on, like so, and voila.